Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Photopea from absolute scratch in 2026. Yeah, even if you've never edited an image before, don't worry. We'll go step by step and keep it super simple, you know? So first things first, Photopea is basically a free online photo editor that works right in your browser. No installation, nothing complicated, just open it and start editing pretty much like Photoshop, but lighter. Go ahead and open Photopea in your browser, and you'll see the main workspace load up. Now, to start editing, click on New Project if you want a blank canvas, or just drag and drop an image directly into the screen. I'm honest, drag and drop is the fastest way, like way easier. Okay, now let's talk about layers. This is kind of the most important part. Every image, text, or shape you add goes into its own layer. So if something looks wrong, you don't panic. You just click the layer and adjust it or delete it. Yeah, it keeps everything organized, which is super helpful when things get messy. Now, over here on the left, you've got your tools. The Move tool lets you drag stuff around. The Selection tool helps you cut or isolate parts of an image. And the text tool, well, that's how you add text. Just click anywhere, type your text, and boom, it appears instantly. Once you're done editing, go to File, then Export As, and choose your format like PNG or JPEG. PNG is better if you want clear quality, especially for logos or transparent backgrounds. And yeah, that's basically how you use Photopea in 2026. Nothing too crazy, just a few tools and you're already good to go. If you want, you can keep experimenting, like try filters, shapes, or blending modes. That's where things get fun, honestly. Hey,